I'm also sorry about my hair. You guys, my hair is having a moment and it's not a good moment, okay? I just can't seem to, I don't know. I know a lot of people have hair issues right now. I'm not complaining. I just want you to be like, Trish, oh my gosh, what is happening with you? It's just kind of like one of those things where it's like you wouldn't go get a pear to make lemonade, but you love pears, but you use lemons for lemonade. You know what I'm saying? Hey guys, this is Present Trish. That was Hey guys, this is Present Trish. That was Past Trish, and I wanted to add something to this video. Pretty recently, a newer channel has kind of come up on my radar, and I want to tell you guys about it. It's run by a young gentleman named Kai, and he has a fiber channel. He's very passionate about fiber, and it's very new, and I'm going to link it in the description box because I really think he's like gonna do great, huge, amazing things. He's already doing great, huge, amazing things, and I thought some of you might want to check out his channel, so I am gonna link it. His channel is called Fiber by Nature. Hi, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met. If we have, welcome back. What are you working on? It is the day after I unboxed this Enchanted Forest Paradise Fibers box, and I got a great question, and I thought I would answer it. She asked, what am I gonna do with this basically, and why? The sheet that came with this box suggested, and I mean, they don't ever tell you what to do, but they always have suggestions. There's certain people, I think, who just feel more comfortable having some suggestion. P.S. Can we look at this? It's BFL, Rose, Flax, and something else. Hang on. Bamboo. Bamboo. And it's top. It says right on here it is combed top. So I would call this a blended top. People have different words for it, but when they put a bunch of different colors, I like to think of it as a blended top. Okay, so comb top is a worsted prep. Any prep where all the fibers go in one direction completely is a worsted prep. You can find super purists who only think true worsted is where the butt and the tip ends all go in the same direction. I don't really get that purist, but just in case, you could run into somebody who like will correct you and say it's not really worsted if it's not like that. If you're gonna knit lace especially, or if you want something really drapey, you would want to keep the fibers all going the same direction, because what's gonna happen is they're going to lay very smoothly together and they're gonna make a very dense yarn, but it won't have very much spring. So if you are doing a short forward draw, which a lot of people call the inchworm, that's an example of a worsted drafting style, because if all the fibers are laying perfectly together like they would in a worsted prep, they're gonna stay that way. You're just pulling out a little bit at a time. I was kind of thinking about using a straight worsted draft, which would be like a inchworm or short forward draw, to spin it, because I could spin it really fine, and then also it will be very drapey. After really discussing this with you guys and thinking about it, I think I'm gonna spin it very fine, worsted style, try and keep the fibers lined up, because I really think this is gonna work well for some sort of lace. Worsted yarns have really nice stitch definition, and they also have very nice drape, and I think that's where I'm gonna go with this. I'm so excited to spin this. Just look at it. It's almost like otherworldly because it's shiny and it has all those purples and blues and whites, and it's just so pretty. So this is the finished wisteria blend from the June Paradise Fibers box, and the July box will probably ship in the next week or so, so I'm kind of glad I got this done. I ended up with 680 yards of lace weight, and it is so pretty and it's so unique. It's like such a unique blend. I swear, if they had this in a bunch of colors, I would buy it in every color like now. It is super drapey. I'm gonna pick it up and show you guys so you can see better. It is very drapey. So, and the flax gives it a little bit of a halo. It's just awesome. And then the rose fiber gives it a little texture. It's just so unique and it's so cool. I love this. Now I gotta find a pattern. What am I gonna make with 680 yards of this?